In this session we are going to discuss global infrastructure and how to create EC2 instance. Let us start with global infrastructure. So global infrastructure is the most secure, extensive and reliable cloud infrastructure built for all applications. Basically, global infrastructure consists of regions. Regions are divided into availability zone and it is spread over different countries, territories. Different direct locations are there and edge location and edge cases also maintained by AWS. So AWS has 25 regions which is divided into 81 availability zone. The zones are having local zone. It is spread over 245 countries and territories. 108 direct connect locations are there and 230 plus point of presence which consist of edge locations and regional edge caches. So let us discuss how to create EC2 instance. For that, sign into AWS Management Console. Click on EC2 service under compute category, which redirect to the dashboard of EC2. Here, click on launch instance. Choose the Amazon machine image. Instance type, take T2 micro, which is under free tier eligibility. Configuration, we are taking default VPC, default subnet, default availability zone. Then EBS volume, as we know EBS is the by default volume for EC2 instance, so take the default EBS. Security group, if you want to create a new security group you can create or use the existing security group. Review and launch. So if we want we can create the key pair or we can proceed without key pair. Click on view instances. So in this way we can able to create instance. So when I click on the instance it will show the metadata related to the instance. The IP addresses, private IP, public IP, the state, running state, instance type T2 micro. So the metadata are maintained by the AWS.